Hello guys, my name is Chani SK, SAP FICO and S4HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you very important topic. The topic name is Automatic Payment Program, Invoice Clearing Without Error, and some more analysis I am going to explain. So the error name is F110, error in creating the payment document. So read job log. So this is the error. Once you find out this error, what is the rectification? So how we can analyze this error and how we need to provide a resolution, etc. I'm going to tell right now. And if you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified with many of my videos very soon. So let's move to the topic without making any further delay. So just I need to post one invoice, vendor invoice. For that just go to FD60 transaction code and give the vendor details, and invoice date you can take, and reference anything you can take it. So 9,000 rupees I am posting right now. You can take test 1237 something. So the GL account you can take raw material GL account debtor to vendor, and because I created very few GL accounts, and give the amount. So text. Now simulate the document. So Mr. Chan account credit and raw material should be debited. Post it. It's posted right now. Okay. And now I want to check how many open line items for this vendor. FBL1N. So this is the vendor. Just give your company code. On this date, how many line items are there? Just execute. So there is only one line item that is open right now, and this is a view, okay, and this is open item completely. That is the reason status is always in red color. So once you give the cursor over here, you can find it's a due item. Now I need to clear this vendor invoice. For that just I'm going to F110. So give your run date, today's date, and take test 1, okay, and go to parameters. So posting date and documents entered up to, and give your company code. So payment method is V, and next date 5, next month date is 5/02/2021. So vendor is 7614. Just copy this one and just go to additional log. Select these 3 items and paste it over here. Okay, just go to status and save, and again go to print data. So variant we need to give. So this variant name is test underscore check 2, because I need to print out this one. And just go to maintain variants, select for all sessions and go to continue. So paying company code is your main company code, and your payment method is V, house bank, account ID. Okay. So select, these are all print immediately because I need to see the check. LP01. And select do not void any checks. Now save. So just go to attributes. There is something missing. Specify lot numbers. I have forgotten to give lot numbers. And just go to attributes, and it's a test only. Test run 1. Control S. Just go back. And now check. Now check in the proposal. Start immediately. Just I'm running the proposal, okay, and check the error. So this is the error, and double click on this, So error in creating payment document, read job log. Okay. So this is the error F110, error creating payment document, read job log 1. This is the error. How we can rectify? So this is the today topic. So for that I need to check in the job log. Just go back. Okay. Just go to display proposal log. Here you can check, is there any error? Yes, this is GLT2. So there is no item category assigned to account 200102. Okay. So what is this? The error name is there is no item category assigned to account 200102. So we are not assigned this GL account in the document splitting classification of GL accounts configuration part, where I have forgotten to give this GL account in that list. That is the reason system is giving this error. Now what you can do, just double click on this and read out this error, what is exactly the error is. So there is no item category assigned to account 200102 and this error is GLT2 076. That is the reason here in the message class GLT2 is coming. Okay, and it's a 76. 76 is the message number. Okay, this is the 76 is the message number. So it is in exception. So this goes to exception because it's not in clear. So that is the reason this error is coming over here. How we can rectify? So here procedure also be given. Assign an account category to account specified. So you do this customization for classification of GL accounts for document splitting. What we can do right now? So I am copying this GL account. So problem with this GL, because this GL is not assigned in the classification of GL in the document splitting. That is the reason we are getting this error. So double click on this, execute, give your chart of accounts, and here that GL account is not there. Okay, that is the reason I need to create a new GL account. So this is the GL account not assigned in this place. It's a document splitting error. So it's a balance sheet. 2002 series is just like ICICI Bank. So this is the bank I not assigned in the document splitting classification for the GLs. Okay, I just assign and save it. Yes. Okay, so I have done the classification. Again go back, and cancel this. Now check again. Error is same, but what we can do, we can delete this proposal and we need to create again. Okay, just go more and just go to edit, go to proposal, delete. So I am deleting the current proposal, I am creating again new one. So give start immediate option, schedule, enter, and now check. So it is in green color. That means we can pay this invoice. Okay, just go back and just go to payment run, select this option, schedule, enter. So it's paid. So this document is paid, one generated, one completed. I need to check the spool /n. Sorry, I need to create a printout log. So job name. So here, so take 8. I need to create one check printout. Okay. So for that you need to give the 8 number or anything you can give it over here, paste or anything, schedule. Okay. Now just go to SP01 and just execute. So just now I created one check. Here the check type we can find out. This is the check we created, right? So this is the video guys, and thank you very much for your support. This is Shani SK signing off.